Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to downgrade iOS, either it is unsigned iOS or signed iOS. How do you downgrade without losing any data? So firstly, we will check it out manually that is it possible by iPhone itself it's recommending to a downgrade or not. If it is not, however, we will try with alternative options, and of course we will have to downgrade anyhow, either it is unsigned or signed iOS. So see here, firstly we will tap on a setting. Let's see, tap on setting. In setting we will have to come in a general, so let's tap on a general to, of course we will click on a software update. So it has just started to check it out. It's saying that it's up to date. We don't have any opportunity to downgrade, guys, even if we cannot upgrade it. So what we will do, guys, what's the alternative option? Just we'll go for an administration through your tool, connect your data cable and the phone. Of course, click on a smart flash and the phone. There we will click on a especially here firmware options, and in a firmware options we can see here what's iOS 26.2. so it is recommending here 26.2, 26.8. These all green sign is a signed iOS, and these all are unsigned IPSW or iOS, you can say. So if you would like to come with the signed iOS latest downgraded option, that is the 26.1, that easily within one clicks we will be able to download, and then the further we will go for. If we would like to downgrade unsigned iOS, any one out of, suppose I would like to downgrade 18.1 iOS, this one. So we will start to download firstly. So it has started to downloads, and we can see here it has started to downloads. Fine, it's downloading. On the other hand, of course, what we will do, just we will click on especially toolbox. In toolbox there is option that is a stop update option. Here it is, see, stop iOS. Just we will send a file. So now it has started to click on here and it came on here. So successfully it's added. So it will not give you any restrictions to the company especially iOS, that is especially 18.6. so it's taking a little bit time, but for example here I'm telling you it's downloading right now. Suppose it's a completed download, then it will take scarcely 5 to 10 minutes, guys. So video would be a lengthy. So suppose I am telling you demo here, how would I especially, we will click on here especially in a smart flash option. So we will come to easy flash. Here is options to especially import directly. So here is a beta version, so you can see the latest one, and this is the last one, and that I had started to download, that is especially, yes, and this is a 18 points especially 1. So it's downloading right now. How would I, you know that here by coming on here, these all are signed green sign, these all are unsigned. So unsigned, if we do, then we will have to click on especially, once again I repeat, stop this iOS update options, and then we will go with especially here, click on a smart flash, smart to easy flash to. Here is a recommendation. Suppose here this one we have taken that let's have I would like to come with especially, I mean here 12.5 points iOS. So suppose directly we will click on here, so it has successfully imported. Now all the retaining data that should be there, so we will select the retain user data, and then we will click on here flash. So here it will ask you that if you would like to come with especially this backup, then hit this one. So otherwise if you would like to fix the especially battery health also during this especially flashing, if the battery is draining and the sector any issues is a battery issues, especially on your iPhones, and then you will have to select this one. But if you select this one, fix the battery health during the flash, then what we will have especially, we will have the problem that manually you will have to reboot of this device. So don't select this one directly, we will hit this one flash. So if we hit this one flash, then automatically this, suppose here 12.5 points from say especially 26.2 iOS 2, we will be erased on a 12.5.7. so we will hit this one directly. Similarly especially it's almost downloaded, guys. After downloading, we will keep this where it will be, especially we will click on a firmware and open folder in there will be especially this one. We will drag on a desktop and then directly we can by clicking on here import it, and then we will go for. So I would like to complete the special iOS 18.1, so we'll have to wait, guys. So video will be lengthy, but similar strategy you will have to execute, guys. And the further inquiry, of course, I have the query in the comment box, and the pleasure will be mine to reply your query. So thank you for staying till the end of this tutorial, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.